Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is July the 17th and our devotion today is equal pay. Whatever you give is acceptable if you give it eagerly and give according to what you have, not what you don't have. Of course, I don't mean you giving I don't mean your giving should make life easier for others and hard for yourself. I only mean that there should be some equality. 2 Corinthians verse 8, 12, and 13. Most of us hold on to our hard-earned money because we live at the edge of our means. When you look at your spending, you may be able to identify a few things that could be given up for the sake of saving a little more for times when you are in need. God doesn't ask you to give so much that you make yourself poor. But He does want you to be part of helping those who don't have as much as you do. Is there something you can hold back from spending your money on today so you can give to a greater cause? God, thank you for providing me with all that I need. Give me the wisdom to know how to spend well so I can have a little extra to give when you show me someone in need. The nighttime devotion. God's system of equality is always the best. When you have plenty, you make sure to give. So when you're in need, others will be generous to you. It's a bit of pay it forward situation and makes sense that our generosity will someday come back to us. God doesn't want us to have a division because some are poor and others are rich. Instead, He longs for us all to have what we need. The question of the day: how could you better give or accept generosity? What I'm going to say is this talks about money. And I think that if you're like me and you live on a fixed income, it pretty much takes all your money to live month to month. So I think by giving in other ways, like your time, your attention, helping people, Not necessarily with money, but in other ways. Does that make sense? Like with me, if you're hungry, I can give you food, or I can prepare food for you and give it to you. I have time, I can give you my time. If you need something done, I can do it. So I hope that makes sense. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, share my video, I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.